How do you get renter's insurance? There are many things to consider when purchasing your home insurance. Here are a few things to look for when finding the right policy. Liability insurance is very important to a homeowner's coverage because it helps protect the owner and the family from financial disaster if someone files a claim against the homeowner's policy, sues the homeowner, or if the courts hold the homeowner legally responsible for someone else's injury or property damage. The standard liability limit for most policies is $100,000, but many people believe that additional protection is needed, especially if the homeowner has sizable assets. Another way to protect one's assets is to consider an umbrella policy, which usually adds $1 million in excess liability coverage to the homeowner's property and automobile insurance policies. It also covers claims excluded from most basic policies such as libel, slander, defamation, and mental anguish. For example, most policies provide liability coverage that covers not only accidents that occur on the insured property but accidents that occur elsewhere. If the family dog bites a neighbor in front of another neighbor's house, for example, the dog owner's homeowner's policy will usually compensate the neighbor for injuries and necessary medical expenses. For more information on homeowners insurance, visit our specialist site below. Most policies automatically insure against a loss of personal property even if that property is not on the insured premises when it is lost. If one goes to the airport with several suitcases and they are stolen, this is probably covered. Talk with your agent and or your insurance company for details. Another automatic benefit of which many homeowners are unaware is coverage for living expenses if the covered premises is damaged to the point of being uninhabitable. Not only should the policy pay for the cost to repair the damage to the dwelling, but it should also reimburse the homeowner for the additional expenses of living elsewhere while the repairs are being made. How does someone find out what is and what is not covered? Watch the policy carefully. It's not likely to be fun reading, but the good news is that if one reads and understands his or her policy before it is needed, this knowledge may save unexpected financial losses should a problem occur. It is always best to talk with one's insurance agent or the company that issued the policy for details. Understanding your homeowner's insurance policy is best handled before a claim is made. In the case of the contents, an inventory of items room by room is important to have, with information such as the date purchased, serial number, the original cost of each item, and a brief description. Videotape or still photos is very helpful along with the inventory. These items should be stored in a safe place such as a safety deposit box in a bank or savings and loan institution, and not in the home, because if the home is destroyed, the chances are the inventory and related photos or tape may also be destroyed.